The Siberian tiger, also known as the Amur tiger, is the largest and most magnificent of all tiger species, with males reaching astonishing lengths of up to 10.9 feet. Despite its grandeur, the Siberian tiger is critically endangered due to habitat loss and poaching, with fewer than 500 individuals estimated to remain in the wild. These remarkable big cats are not only a symbol of the wild beauty of Siberia, but also a testament to the urgent need for conservation efforts to ensure their survival in the wild.